Are you in the market for a new construction townhome here in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie? Well, hey, today's video is just for you. Now, this one is unique because a lot of townhomes don't have a downstairs bedroom. This one does. Plus, it has a nice open kitchen. You have a backyard with grass back there, 2-car garage, and you're in a great location here in the city of Grand Prairie. So with all that said, come on with me, let's take a look. Welcome to today's video. We are back in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie. Absolutely love this townhome option because it just gives you a different look at what's available here in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie, how you can get something. And I like that these townhomes do give you a little bit of a backyard option as well. We're going to explore that a little bit more as we go through the video. First, starting here in the kitchen space, I like how you have tons of cabinet space here, and everything just kind of flows, right? When you're in the kitchen, it just flows right into this living room, dining room area here. Definitely has a very open feel. Plus, look at all the countertop space and cabinets you have on this side as well. I like the little gold handles that just give it a nice touch, right? And for a townhome, this is a pretty spacious kitchen. And on top of that, you still have a half bathroom here. This would be where the garage is. It's locked right now, but that's where the garage would be. And then you even have some storage space down there too, which is great. So, what are your thoughts about this kitchen? Is this enough space for what you're trying to do in your next townhome? Leave me a comment down below, please. I like it. What I really like about this is the location. I mean, we're, less than 7 minutes away from Epic, which is great. It has like restaurants and entertainment. Typically, if you guys see me doing date nights with my wife, we're at Epic. That's just a really nice space. So the location is great. Plus, you do have a downstairs bedroom here, as you can see. Because sometimes with these townhomes, all the bedrooms are upstairs. This one here, you do have the downstairs bedroom option, which is great. And it has the ensuite bathroom. And I like that this one's furnished, being the model, so it gives you an idea of, how things would fit. Like, as you can see, there's still a good place for seating on both sides here, and you can still fit your table. We're gonna go check out the backyard on the way out, but let's take a look upstairs. So you can go ahead and put your TV and everything right here too. So check this out. This one here would be more of like the primary bedroom. I absolutely love that you have these high ceilings, tons of natural light. And as you see, the furniture fits in here perfectly. So we go this way. Look at this bathroom. Absolutely love that you have the two vanities here. And then once again, really good natural light. Obviously, you know, you can put some blinds here if you're not trying to show too much up here. From the location, I like that this right here is like a little community area that you have. And if you look all the way across that blue building, that's IKEA. So you have that. And then if you see those tall nets in the distance right there, they're building a brand new Top Golf. So I'm telling you, location wise, it's incredible. Tons of restaurants. Our favorite Mexican restaurant is right over here. Me and my wife go there all the time. And stuff for the, you know, if you have kids, there's different things where you can go to different water parks. And you have the indoor water park. You have Boulder, which is like, you know, if you want to climb around and rock climbing and zip lining and stuff like that. So this area has so much to offer. And that's one of the things you got to factor in when you're buying a home. It's not just about the home or the townhome. It's also about the location. Look at this closet. I love that you have 1, 2, 3 rows on this side here. Get you like one of those little rods and kind of put your towel stuff up there at the top. Your winter clothes there in the summer and your summer clothes there in the winter, right? But you can still have good shelving here for your purses, your shoes, your watches, your hats, anything you need. You can go ahead and put that in that section right there. Most townhomes, you do not get this much closet space, so this is definitely a plus. What are your thoughts about the closet space in this townhome? Leave me a comment down below, please. So right off of the primary here, you have your washer and dryer right here. You don't have to go far for your clothes. You can just do it all right here, which is great. And then we still have this area here where if you wanted to, you can use it. How this space is kind of used right now, kind of like an open office type space or however you want to use it. In fact, if this was your townhome, what would you use this section for? How would you use this? Would you keep it the same as this? Would you do something different? Leave me a comment down below, please. See, a part of me says that I would like put like a little baby gate right here and just have this completely gated off. But I don't know, if little man gets to this row right here and does a little flip, oh, it wouldn't be good for the small family. So that might not be the best use for that situation, but this is a great space for those who need like additional space that's not in the bedrooms. Plus we still have this full bathroom here, very spacious. So 2 downstairs bathrooms, plus we have 2 upstairs bathrooms because we have this one and the one that's in the primary bedroom. So here's the next secondary bedroom here. Decent sized closet, right? come back out. Here's the next bedroom. Like I said, I'm enjoying this because most of the homes that I shoot are vacant, so you don't really get to see how the furniture fits. Or sometimes people feel like the rooms are too small, or so it just gives you a pretty good visual. Turn this light on. There we go. And then you have all this space down here as well for shoes and stuff like that. All right, so I like it. You have upstairs, your primary with the primary bathroom here. Plus you have these 2 additional bedrooms on this section right here. And you have this space right here, which I'm gonna go to the comment section and see how you would use it. So checked out the laundry room. But yeah, it's a nice townhome, great location. And you know, everybody's not in a position where they're ready to buy a $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 home. So if we can get into something like this that has a great location, you still have a downstairs bedroom if you need it. It's spacious. You get your 2-car garage. Like I said, this is the model home, so I'm not going to show the garage because that's where the actual sales office is right now. But when the home is built, that's what the two-car garage would be. But look how beautiful this is, right? It's just nice being able to have all this open space. And then when you come out here, like this doesn't even feel like you're in a townhome. I even like they got a little grass to cover up the AC units, but you're back here and it's private. Oh, the units came on right when I started talking. I'm sorry. But look at how private this is. And this is just the back of the community. But obviously you can lock your gate here. Go ahead and lock it from the outside there. Yeah, what are your thoughts about the backyard area? Leave me a comment down below, please. Well, hey, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or want to take a look at any of these townhomes, feel free to reach out to me and my team. Our contact information is in the description box. Make sure, yep, we got everything. We already got this downstairs bedroom, so got that covered. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next home. Hey, that's it for today's home tour. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're planning on moving to the Grand Prairie area or anywhere throughout the Dallas area, feel free to reach out to me and my team. Our contact information is in the description box. Hey, it doesn't matter if it's in the next 7 days, 7 weeks, or even 7 months from now. Whenever you're ready, we would love to help you make your next move, your best move, here in Grand Prairie or anywhere throughout the Dallas area. Once again, my name is Brandon Small. Thank you so much for watching. Let's make it happen.